whoa, like everything could be changed in some way.
It's hitting mainstream too. So it was last week. It was a Rolling Loud Miami. It's a festival with like a bunch of artists, rapper, singer, whatever. Future was one of the main headliners. I streamed it on my laptop, and you know how artists have like big screens in the back and everything like that. Future had his own Bored Ape like dancing with him. It was on the screens, and it was like smoking weed, drinking lean. Like he made it do that, just like the Seth Green movie that we were talking about.
Yeah.
Of him using his own NFT IP to make characters and have these people come to life. People are utilizing these things, like, and that's what I want to get across to potential viewers, new viewers, anybody listening to our past podcasts or anything like that. Like, this is for real. You know what I'm saying?
Stick with us too, because we're going to throw out a lot of examples, a lot of use cases. Not everyone's going to make sense to you or to me or to AG, but once it does hit, once you find that one where it kind of clicks for you, once that happened to me, it just kind of opened up this world of innovation in my head. It's like,